Hello, guys, welcome to your very own channel, The Techie Traveler. So, guys, today's video is about a Realme Narzo 60X 5G phone. The package has arrived now, seems to be perfect. Let's open it. Here is internal packaging. Let's move forward. And that's the beauty. So the cover seems to be fine. Some tone of sticker is there, but I don't know for what purpose. But the seals and the plastic packaging seems to be perfect. Let's open. Let's remove this plastic sheet. As I always says, check for the seal. This seal needs to be verified always. If it is disturbed or even the seal says so, don't accept if this is broken or torn off. So always check the seal before opening it. Ours seems to be fine, so let's move further. Okay, the first thing is the upper case. It might be having some stickers or cover, etc. So this is the phone. Let's open and check. That's the beauty. A very nice phone, looking so nice. I ordered a purple one, and yeah, good one. Let's try to start it. By the time it is starting, let's check the other things. Okay, charger and type C cable. This cover has, let's open. Okay, yeah, it has a back cover, stock back cover. Okay, nice one. And a manual and the pin and some win-win share thing. Anyways, nice one. So like the phone. The rest of the reviews I'll share in the future. Thanks for watching.